Hello, today I will show you how to add your fingerprint into Samsung Galaxy A9. Now first, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Let's swipe up again and select Settings. And in here we have a Biometrics and Security option. Let's select this and select Fingerprint Scanner. Let's press it, and just like this we can set up our fingerprint to be the security option on our phone. Let's select Continue, and first we have to select a secure screen lock type. This means that in case we can't use our fingerprint, we can still unlock our phone by using one of these, like a password, a PIN or a pattern. Let's select a pattern, for example, and draw one like this, continue and draw it again, OK. And of course it can be anything you like. Now we can register our fingerprint by swiping behind our phone. Let's go behind, and as you can see here, there is a spot for our finger. Let's start pushing our finger with different parts of it into our phone until this spot reaches 100%. As you can see, the more I put it, the more it starts to be recognized. Obviously we can use different parts of our finger, and just like this we're at 100% and our fingerprint has been added. We can always choose to add another one, or we can be done. Let's select done and use our fingerprint, and yes, good job, our fingerprint was recognized. You can always select to turn off this option and what kind of things should be seen when your screen is locked. But besides that, we can always see our fingerprint as fingerprint 1. We can add another one, or we can edit everything and rename the fingerprint in case more than one person is using their fingerprint to access this phone. And of course we can remove fingerprints. But besides that, our phone is now secure, and when it's locked, I can simply unlock it with my finger. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.